sir.
Hey, today's VIPs aren't your usual VIPs. Everything we're doing is for them. We have to be at our very best.
Yes, sir. We will. Sir, I hope the traffic wasn't too bad this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to see are some of the green initiatives that Midea are undertaking to achieve carbon neutrality. These include green design, green recycling, green procurement.
Why green? Why not pink?
Well, we use green to represent nature, which we need to protect. So let's start by looking at our green factory. For our green strategy to be successful, we need to be very, very smart. To do this, we use our secret weapon.
What is it? Grandmas? Unicorns?
Not quite. We use automation and digitization using real-time data and AI. Let's go see where all that data goes. This is the factory command center. We use a computer's artificial intelligence to instantly work out how to save materials and energy. This way, we can reduce our carbon emissions by vast amounts each year.
What's carbon emissions?
It's like invisible smoke that's hurting our planet.
Indeed. Any other questions? Yes.
Can I go for a wee-wee?
Of course you can, absolutely. Did you know the computer also recycles the factory wastewater for the toilets?
This is the showroom toilet. The toilet is this way.
Where are the games?
Unfortunately, this computer doesn't have games, but we do have giant robots. You know, using robots allows us to build things a lot faster. In this robot factory, our robots build other robots for other factories.
Can they build one for me? I want the pink one.
Let me see what I can do. At Midea, we make sure everything we do improves people's lives, especially for your generation. In this chamber, we test the electromagnetic field that comes from all electrical appliances.
Do they test laser sort here?
Midea laser sorts. I'll check with our R&D offices in the US or Germany, maybe Italy. And this is the M+ library, where all our employees and their families can come to study. In addition, the Midea Academy offers 1,000 free online courses.
I don't like studying.
Okay? Well, we also have cultural associations. They're for employees who like to do fun things after work, like street dancing.
I like that better.
This way, folks. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, Midea are doing our utmost to ensure our people, our communities, and our planet are taken care of, because we value your future. Thank you. I think this pink robot is for you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.